kaibigan na itigil na ang malawakang pagmimina. May mga komentaryo akong narinig, palabas lamang ang lahat ng ito. Nag-iingay upang maareglo. Ngunit sino nga ba ang umaareglo at nagpapaareglo?
When I was speaker for the second time, because this is now my fourth term as a speaker, our colleagues here co-authored with us the Philippine Mining Act of 1995. And it was a bold, creative, dynamic step because it allows foreigners under the service contract system, as in oil exploration, to own 100% of the mining projects. And I'm very proud to tell you, we passed this in 1995 against a number of strong objections, but we did it. We passed it. And then they counterattacked. They counterattacked, and the extreme left and those who are super overcommitted to the environment, to the point of excess, counterattacked, and then succeeded in getting the Supreme Court to overturn the legislation and declared it as unconstitutional. For 6 months, I felt it was an insult because I was a speaker when this law was passed. And I felt that we should mobilize the leaders of the civil society, leaders of the church, the business chambers of commerce in the Philippines to mobilize, together with Fred Ramos and Philip Romualdez and the others. We decided to mount a strong campaign to get the Supreme Court to reverse itself. It was a difficult task to get 15 proud men and women of the Supreme Court to reverse themselves, but we succeeded.
Sa aking nasaksihan, hindi mababayaran ng pera ang buhay ng mga katutubo. Ang sagradong lugar nila, ipaglalaban nila hanggang kamatayan ang mga karapatan nila. Tama lahat sa tono, ang mga awit nila na tigilan na ang operasyon ng malakihang pagmimina. Ang tanong ay bakit patuloy pa rin ang mga ito?
We will move that foreigners can own 100% of our natural resources in the Philippines in order to hasten the economic mobilization of our country and our people.
Kabaliwan o isang panlilin lang dahil iginawad sa amin yung aming lupang ninuno pagkatapos babawiin din sa pamagitan ng paggawad sa mga malalaking dambuhalang minero.